Hello everyone, welcome to the video. For the towards or another artifact, you can see how we have already traced down some of the lines. Follow the each step properly and try to make this one. Now the rest of the features are to be added with the help of this black marker. We are doing this thing. You can just bold down the pencil marks with the help of the bold black marker so that you can erase if you will get somewhere some mistakes so that you can attain the perfection. This looks so good and so easy. If we talk about the difficulty level, then this one is of medium difficulty because here many curves are to be made and many features are to be added. Just pause the video and follow the each step properly. Let's now move towards our another activity. First, you just have to make this round shape as apparent here. After that, inside this round shape, you just have to make the two eyes. Then over it, you just have to make another circle and these are going to represent the eyes. Once you are done with this thing, you just have to make the ears from both the ends and you just have to then add some of the horns from the upper portion. You can see how we are just trying to make this one. After that, you just have to make the rest of the body of this cow. This activity is again very good and easy. Definitely give this one a try. This is so cool and you can definitely try to make this one. First, you just have to make use of the pencil for this one. Once you are done with it, after that you can just outline it using the bold marker. You can fill it with some of the bright colors or keep it as it is. Let's now move towards another artifact. For this one, you just have to write down the 5, then 0 and 0. Then you just have to join them together one after the another. We are joining it together and after that we are just showing you how we can make the facial features of this cat and it has closed its eyes and it looks so cute and so elegant. Now you just have to make the whiskers from both ends and the paws are to be added. This is again the simplest of all. Definitely give this one a try. Don't forget to focus on the body area also and make a cute fluffy tail at the end. Add some of the patterns and fill them with the bright bold color, blackish one or any other color. Let's move further with our another activity. For this one, you may require this black marker and then you just have to make some of the curvier things that are similar to the number 3. And after that, you can see how we are creating a bigger 3 number. Then for the ears, again, you just have to write down 3. Then for the legs, you just have to again make a 3 in the opposite direction. You can see with the help of the number 3, we are able to convert it into a monkey. Just follow the each step properly. Here again we are taking this black marker and we are tracing down the number 6. After that we are below the 6 and after that you just have to make this leafy portion. You can see how we are going to convert it into a cute little ant as apparent on your screen. This is the easiest of all. Definitely give this one a try. You may require a marker for this one. You can fill it with the black stripes that are going to represent that of the honeybee or you can keep it as it is so that it will represent an ant. For this one, you just have to trace down the number 4 as shown here. Once the 4 is complete, then you just have to fill an eye portion with the help of the dot and then you just have to make a smaller heart shape at the top of this 4. After that, the rest of the body is to be made to represent a kangaroo. Further with another activity, first trace down the number 2. Once you have done with it, you just have to trace down the number 3 but in somewhat. Then you just have to make the whiskers of this cute little rat and a tiny tail at the end. Thank you.